Are you eating less but still not losing fat? You're doing cardio every day but your belly fat won't go away. The problem isn't effort. The problem is your diet strategy. Today, I'm giving you a complete fat-burning diet blueprint, simple, sustainable, and science-based. No starvation. No crash diets. No fake detox tricks. Most people fail because they cut calories too aggressively, remove entire food groups, or don't understand metabolism. Fat loss comes down to one thing: calorie deficit. If your body burns 2,500 calories per day, you must eat around 2,000 to 2,200 to lose fat safely. Extreme dieting slows metabolism. Consistency beats extremes. There are 3 pillars: calorie deficit, high protein intake, and strength training. Safe fat loss is 0.5 to 1 pound per week. Protein preserves muscle, reduces hunger, and boosts metabolism. Target is 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Muscle burns more calories at rest. Diet plus lifting equals best results. The perfect fat-burning meal plan includes breakfast with high protein and fiber, lunch with grilled chicken and vegetables, snack with apple and peanut butter, and dinner with salmon and quinoa. Hydrate with 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Sometimes you're not hungry, you're dehydrated. Limit sugary drinks, processed snacks, deep-fried foods, and liquid calories. Don't quit carbs, just control them. Use the 80-20 rule: 80 clean foods, 20 flexibility. Track your food, weight, and progress photos. If weight doesn't drop after 2 weeks, reduce 100 to 200 calories. Fat loss is data-driven. Slow fat loss equals sustainable fat loss. Crash dieting, doing only cardio, skipping protein, and not sleeping enough are common mistakes. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. High cortisol equals stubborn belly fat. You don't need a magic pill, you need structure. Start small, track consistently, and trust the process.